let's call on the starters for Ombudsman Draft Busters. Starting off with jersey number 2, Mary Ronce Lopez. At number 3, Ana Marie Ruiz. Wearing jersey number 8, Teresita Ravago. At number 11, Alarni Pesebre. Wearing jersey number 12, Joanna Marie Palarca. At number 16, Eileen Rodriguez. Starting libero is number 7, Marilyn Tang. Head coach is Mr. Bernardo Toico. Presenting your AFP Lady Gunner. Starting off with jersey number 1, Major Sherian Hake. At jersey number 5, Private First Class, Patty Jane Orendain. At number 6, Marian Joyce Olores. Wearing jersey number 8, Staff Sergeant Rhea Marifosque. At number 9, First Lieutenant Haley Joy Betino. At number 16, Corporal Divine Eguia. Wearing jersey number 10, Rachel Ann De Gia. Head coach is Staff Sergeant Miriam Go. This is match number 11 between Ombudsman Draft Busters and your AFP Lady Gunners.
And there you have it, our protagonists, our starters para po sa laban na ito. Again, ang Ombudsman Draft Busters entering the game with a 1-2 record. Ang AFP led by Patty Orendain with a 3-0 immaculate record. At yung stat na nabanggit natin kanina, 9 straight sets ang AFP. So they're getting the full points, di ba? On every victory.
Yes, that is correct. But you know, I'm looking at the lineup now. Napag-usapan natin si Joan Bunag, but I don't see her actually at the venue today. So let's see how that also changes, no? The way Team AFP will play today.
Oo nga, ano? So we'll find out later on how it will flow for them. Meantime, the game has begun and we'll check our score. It's 2-0 already in favor of the AFP. Wag mo kayong mag-alala. We'll be editing our scoreboard there. 2-0. Off to a good start. The Lady Gunners. Alam mo, if I may add, iba ang bounce ng AFP, iba ang tikas nila.
At makikita mo, no, very organized so far ang kanilang delivery ng bola. You see it from the first ball all the way up to yung kanilang setting duties hanggat sa kanilang opensa. So I think that's one big advantage for Team AFP, but hindi magpapahuli naman ang Team Ombudsman.
The Draft Busters, they get their first point here. In set number 1, on deck to serve is Teresita Ravago. Attacking ngayon ng AFP. Oh, good timing by Pesebre. That ball is still alive. Regalo. Punta sa likod. Good set indeed. That was a good set. It goes back though to the green and white. And there's a reason why Pesebre is our top athlete in this league. Diba? May dahilan eh.
Definitely. Iba yung consistency na challenge dyan ang depensa ng AFP. But you know what I anticipate is maraming net action today.
Oo nga.
Oo, maraming action sa blocking at sa opensa. But bago yan, sabi niya, bakit ko kayo pahihirapan? Let's score with a second touch, sabi ni Olores.
I am always at awe and amazed at setters na parang may mata sa likod ng ulo.
But you know, they do practice that. Peripheral vision is very important for setters.
Ang galing eh.
Oh, yun talagang para kang niya. May mata ka sa buong ulo mo, di ba? Importante yan.
Nagkaroon ako ng visual peg tuloy dahil sa description mo, Ana. 4-2 pabor sa AFP. And Ruiz just fell short of trying to send that ball over. We got Marlon Olores serving for AFP.
Oh, that one is too strong.
Gusto ko yung smile niya after hitting that hard. Tingin sa langit, tingin sa coach.
Oo. Ganun usually, either sa coach agad, pero pwede nga, you take a few seconds bago ka pagalitan, tingin ka muna sa taas.
Humingi ka muna ng dispensa. White shirts on the attack. They go to the back and that zone 1 is open at napangiti na lang si Betinho failing to get to that ball.
Pesebre just really making it look very simple, no? Naghahanap ng walang tao sa depensa on the side of AFP.
Good first ball by Patty. And with the aid of the net, nakapunto si Cheryl Jack. (6-4) in favor of the AFP. That's an ace. Hirap din talaga if you're going up against the #1 team so far. Kahit anong sabihin mong laban tayo, konting may psychological ano yun.
Oo, definitely.
Diba? Effect eh.
Oo, meron yan. At you know, ang nakikita din natin, no, early observation dito sa Team AFP, kitang-kita mo may karga yung kanilang mga serve.
Oo.
So it's not enough that they, you know, na mag-clear yung bola sa net. And siguro kaya hindi rin ako magtataka kung bakit in their last game against Judiciary, naka-18 aces itong AFP. Kargado pero sumobra in that last attempt.
But I would hear from coaches, no? Di bali nang magkaroon ka ng error dyan sa serve. Of course, ayaw natin yan. But for as long as you're committed into what you want to do with the service at hindi ka nagdadalawang isip.
Oo, tama yan. Because
Patty.
serve in itself can be an offense for the team. Nakakasira yan ng, ng diskarte sa kalaban, lalo kung malakas ang serve.
Orendain will set this one up. Cheryl, not that time. One more time for the green and white. Good floor defense. Pero free ball, chance ball ito. 8-5 lamang ang AFP. Back to the white shirts. And the rally continues. Is it a check ball?
Is not. May halong gigil from Orendain's attack.
So dalawa na lang abante dito ng AFP. Pesebre with a good serve. And it goes out. That lead is down to 1 point. Seven serving 8. Arnie with a good serve. Ooh, I spoke too soon. It sails out.
It's a good start for the Graph Busters dahil magandang nakakadikit, ano? But Team AFP just really finds a way, almost always, may sagot sa balik from the Graph Busters.
I like how Pesebre is playing or coverage in the back. Pag si Patty ang pumapalo. Ah, there's a donut. Betinho finding the campfire.
Pero you did mention Pesebre and her presence on court and the way she actually directs, no, her teammates, saan ba kayo pupwesto, ito i-cover ko. Really very commanding inside the court.
Speaking of what to cover, Tiffany, what do you have for us?
Thanks for that, Chicky. I was able to get the chance to speak to our AFP Lady Gunners earlier. And I wondered, how did they come up with such a unique moniker? Because it's not something you hear every day. Lady Gunners, right? And ang ibig sabihin pala nito ay Brave Warriors. And I think that's something that really runs deep as it represents them, especially, their players on and off court. Balik sa inyo, Chicky.
Actually, nakakasindak talaga yun. Thank you, Tiffany. Lady Gunners. Diba? Hindi biro yan. Ang ombudsman humingi po ng timeout. They're down by 5. Pakinggan natin ang huddle ng Graph Busters.
Paglagpas sa balikat mo, hindi na sa'yo yun. Hayaan mo na lang kay LG. Ano yun? MJ. Tapos, setter. Si setter, ma'am, pasok ka palagi sa gitna. Sa gitna ang depensa mo. Magpapalit kayo ni ma'am. Sa open siya. Para ang pattern pa rin natin, double formation pa rin. Okay? Pag wala sa inyo ang bola, pag nakita mo wala sa inyo bola, pasok ka na. Para si JM makakapalo. Diba?
Gusto ko yun, W formation. Baka may foresight si Coach. W means win.
It's win, oo.
Pwede,
at saka
diba?
yun yung, yan ang basic formation natin, that you cover yung different zones in the court. Tingnan natin though, it might make their receiving much easier also dahil tama nga yung mga areas na kailangan i-cover.
Diba? W, win.
Win,
Pag binaliktad mo, M, manalo. Pwede rin.
Ang ganda ng ano na.
Nagkakatuwa na po kami ni Anne Remulla Can. I hope you don't mind. Chicky Reyes here on the mic. Together with Anne, completing our coverage. Ang teammates namin, Serena and Tiffany, nandyan, very busy. Making sure, tsaka si Dana, talagang abalang-abala rin dito sa Marikina Sports Center. Punta na po kayo dito kung wala po kayong ginagawa. Although maulan, pero masarap ang panahon. 13-7 in favor of AFP. Ganda naman ng palo ni Patty. Such a luxury if you have a vet.
Yes, and if you're the setter, alam mo, basta itaas mo yung bola, iangat mo yung second ball, they will find a way to hit it. And in that case, nakapuntos pa itong si Orendain.
Lamang ng 7 ang AFP. Good floor defense from the Lady Gunners. Oh, that hit the line.
With the help of the net, a little bit of help, no? Minsan mas mahirap ang basahin yun kasi nawala sa momentum yung bola. Ang hirap basahin, saan pa maglalang.
Kung hindi tumama sa net yun, malamang labas yun.
Maaaring lumabas, oh. But, it fell within the bounds of their court.
15-7 in favor of the Lady Gunners. They're off to a good start here in set number 1. Betinho goes to the back. Pesebre sends it to the back two.
Oh, that one is out.
So balik ang bola dito sa koponan ng Ombudsman, and on deck to serve is Mary Lopez. Green and white on the attack. At talagang sinusubukan ni Palarca to set up si Pesebre.
Oh, and si Pesebre, nakikita natin yung kanyang pattern. She really is targeting yung mga corners on the other side sa side ng AFP.
8-point lead for AFP, and Orendain timed it well, making sure that Palarca won't have an easy access. This lead has gone up to 8 already, or rather 9, I stand corrected, 9 points. Betinho targeting that corner. The back set to Patty, and I gotta give credit to Olores yung kanyang pagdidistribute ng bola.
Oo, makikita mo na hindi lang isa palagi, no? She tries to let the other players get a hand on the ball.
It's a 10-point lead, 18-8, as we turn you over back to Tiffany.
Thank you for that, Chiquino. Nakausap ko nga si Coach Bernardo kanina from our Ombudsman Draft Busters and sinabi nga niya sa akin, si Lazo and si Vasco, number 6 and 10 respectively, they are both regular were supposed to be regular players, but actually they were considered as imports. So despite them being part of the Ombudsman government sector, they were previous UAAP players. So that means that they would have to act as imports. So now only 2 imports on the team for the Draft Busters. Thank you. Back to you, Chicky and Ann.
Maraming salamat, Tiffany. So, Lazo, that's Marian Lazo and Melanie Vasco considered as imports even if classified daw sila as regular employees.
Oh, so that's part of the ruling pala, no? And so in effect, meron silang dalawang reinforcements or dalawang imports in their lineup. You know, it was very interesting also, pinag-usapan natin kanina, nabanggit ni Rina, no, during the pregame, yung kanilang mga beneficiaries.
Yes.
At napakaganda dahil nagkakaroon sila ng pagkakataon na bukod sa maglaro, meron pa silang matutulungan after. And I was just looking at, you know, we did mention for AFP, ang kanilang beneficiaries, the AFP Educational Benefit System Office.
Nice.
Para naman sa Ombudsman, Team Ombudsman, it's the Ombudsman Employees Association or OMBEA or OMBEA siguro is that how they would call it.
Ganda. So, yung isa, education group ng AFP, yung kabila naman para sa empleyado
Employees.
ng
So
Ombudsman.
really a very good thing, or it's a good cause. Nakaka-proud din naman na parte ka ng team that
Oh, yes.
would allow, no, the beneficiaries to get something.
And ngayon pa lang, pasalamat na tayo sa 6 teams. Thank you for making sure that you play your heart out and you share your heart and your blessings to others. 2010, kalahati, ang abante ng AFP. Ooh, my goodness. That was powerful.
Oo.
And give credit to Divine Eguia for that one, giving AFP an 11-point lead. We got this timeout. Let's listen in to Coach Stoico.
Huwag naman siniscore. Maglaro lang kayo, maglaro lang kayo. Ha? Maganda yung outcome ng laro. Ma'am, ganun lang, ganun lang. Basahin nyo lang yung katawan. Basahin nyo lang, kukuha na natin. Konting tiyagaan lang, tiyagain nyo lang. Tapos laro lang. Maganda yung, tuloy nyo lang ma'am, ha, ma'am. Ganun lang yung gagawin mo. Pag buka, bigay ka ng 6. Pag maganda, bibigay mo ka Jen.
Now, if that score on the upper left corner is not there, you would think that the Ombudsman malapit lang yung ano, no, yung deficit, maliit lang. And I like how Coach Stoico said that. Half full instead of half empty. Gusto ko yung ginagawa ninyo.
Tama yan eh. Kasi alam mo, sinasabi nga natin, minsan even if a team loses a game,
Yes.
the coaches would look, of course, it's ranking eh, di ba? Pero minsan ang tinitignan ng coach, ano yung quality ng laro na ginawa nila?
Oo.
I mean, if it's really bad, talagang magagalit siya, no? But if you're playing well, moving well, talagang malakas lang yung kalaban, it would really all boil down to ano ba ginalaw ninyo?
Yes. Kasi hindi naman talaga palaging panalo.
Tama.
Diba?
Bilog ang bola eh.
Exactly. And put it this way, ang unang torneo pa lang ito ng UNTV Volleyball League. Imagine mo yung season 2 nito.
Oh, wow. It's gonna be, gusto ko yung,
Diba,
for future,
on how the 6 teams
yes.
will be improving.
Yes, definitely, definitely.
21-11. 10 ang abante rito ng AFP. Let's see, Ombudsman on the attack. Pesebre leading the attack for the white and purple. And it's still in. It is still in. Pag mga gantong pagkakataon ba, you're down by 11, hindi mo maiiwasan, no? Yung coaches sometimes, sige, laro lang kayo, but thinking of set number 2 na yan. Diba?
Sometimes, yes. So, you're looking forward already to the next set. Pero I think, in this case, nakikita mo, may lumalaban pa rin.
Pumapalag pa, no?
Oo, lalaban pa dahil importante yung inch closer. Malayo man yung lamang, at least you don't lose it in a way na binigay mo lang.
Yes, agree. 12 serving 22. Underhand serve there coming from Ravado. Samantala, palo ni Lavado wasn't strong enough.
Would be interesting to understand as well, ano, kamusta ba yun? Dahil kanina in the earlier game, pinag-usapan natin, gaano karaming ensayo o preparasyon ba meron itong ating mga teams. And for AFP, alam natin, nagre-regular training yan. But for the other teams as well, like itong ating ombudsman team, ibang usapan pa rin yan, no? How much preparation, how much time they have. That's why, tama ka, exciting yung susunod na season.
Diba?
Dahil they preview na how it is, how it should be in the future.
And I'm sure yung mga hindi talaga nag-varsity or naglaro ng semi-pro or ng pro dito sa mga manlalaro natin, they will learn a lot. And the way they will approach the game in the second season, maniwala kayo, magiging iba yan. At syempre, pasalamat tayo sa UNTV for giving that platform. Set point. Set point po para sa set number 1. Don't worry about that. We'll be addressing that in a few.
Was 1 point away to winning this set para sa Team AFP, but buhay
Di ba?
pa. Oo, hindi pa tapos ang laban dito sa set number 1.
We heard that from Coach Stoico. Don't look at the score. I like it when coaches say play for the point. Play for the point, not for the score.
Let's see now if they can respond. But they don't, because Team AFP closes this first set with that attack.
You gotta love that. Olores rewarding Marifosque with a good setup, 25-14. Ang ating set number 1, it goes to the AFP. We'll take a quick break. We'll be right back. There we go, our set 1, 25-14. Napunta po yan sa AFP Lady Gunners kontra sa Ombudsman Graft Busters. And we're gonna be showing some of the numbers in a few kung paano ba nakuha ito ng AFP. But we were pointing it out, and from the get-go, decisive plays, good decision-making, good distribution by Olores, their setter, and these are the numbers for set number 1.
Look at the disparity, no? Pagdating sa opensa, 16 ang naipuntos ng AFP, 6 para dito sa Ombudsman team. Yung ibang skill departments, makikita natin nangingibabaw din pagdating sa aces. And we did mention that during the pregame na talagang kargado ang serves ng AFP. They scored 5 service aces in set number 1, while they did give away 8 points, no, to their opponent. And they were able to maintain only 8, at least single digit. Samantala para sa Team Ombudsman, maganda rin na kahit na hindi sila nakapuntos ng marami, hindi rin naman gaanong marami ang naipamigay nila. But I think, ayan, the task remains. Ang kanilang misyon ay makapag-opensa, makascore ng mas marami pa, and find more opportunities for that ngayong second set. Huwag na nga daw tignan yung score muna.
Point lang, di ba?
Oh,
Play
point
for the
muna.
point. Okay, so 6 attacks. Let's see if the Ombudsman will be able to take care of that in set number 2. Doon naman sa AFP, grabe naman yung service aces. I mean, nakalima, enough to to offset yung kanilang 8 errors, di ba?
Oo, tama ka dyan. At alam mo, hindi pa, ngayon, nagbalasa naman sila ng kanilang players. Ang lalim din, no, ng bench nitong Team AFP.
Set number 2 has begun and picking it up from where they left off. Lady Gunners getting the first point here in set number 2.
Semana doing the service duties here para sa AFP.
Gusto ko yung feature ni, ni Rina kanina sa kanya.
Yes.
Sabi ni Wendy, ang talagang sport niya noon, chess.
Hindi naman masyadong malayo. Active na active ang mind mo pag nag-chess ka. And ganun din naman sa volleyball.
Okay.
Sinamahan lang ng body.
Tapos
Diba?
nagkaroon ng isang yung malawakang torneo, di ba, ng isa sa mga brands na kilala,
Yes,
helping
oo.
volleyball. From then on, that interest level of Wendy, di na bumaba.
Tama ka dyan. Alam mo, that's why I really believe, ito yung mga grassroots program where you get children, di lang volleyball yan, basketball, any other sport,
Yes.
but you start them young. And I think the key is for them to fall in love with the sport. Hindi
Yes.
ko sapilitan eh. If they willingly play it, if their body looks for it, when they grow up, dalat-dala nila yan.
I have an idea. Punta kayo dito sa Marikina Sports Center. Dali, para ma-inspire kayo. Ha?
Isama nyo yung mga kabataan na
Yung mga-
gusto nyong ma-inspire maglaro.
Mga chikiting, sama niyo po
Oo.
dito. 3-1 ang ating score. Having this light moment with my good partner here, Anne Mulyacan. It's an honor working today with you.
Such a delight actually to be working with this team and covering such a meaningful league.
Oh yes, mga liga ng mga public servants. 3-2. Isa na lang inahabol dito ng Ombudsman Graftbusters. 2 serving 3. Parang may pectus pa yung underhand serve na yon.
Oh, look at that blocking. Pesebre. Oh, 4 touches. That doesn't clear the net.
I like that joust. Leader against leader. Boom. That's our boss, Max 3. Sikat block of the game. Sikat na sikat talaga. Eh, siyempre, denied.
Oo, denied. Look at that. Malinis na puntos para sa Team AFP.
Cheryl scoring that one. Olores serving now for AFP. Lamang sila ng isa. Pagkakataon ng Ombudsman tumabla. Again. Patty sending it over. And overcook lang yun.
Oh, it's a little too strong, a little too long para kay Jack.
So ang score po natin, tabla tayo sa 4. Ruiz is now serving for the Graftbusters. Olores set up job for Patty. Denied at the net. Attack mode naman ngayon si Pesebre.
Tinulang ng konti, but really doing an amazing job itong si Pesebre para sa Ombudsman.
Gustong-gusto ko parang pag nag-aanino sila sa isa't isa ni Patty.
Ang gandang tingnan ng matchup.
Talagang mano-mano rin yun eh.
Pero bago yan, I was hoping it would clear, pero kinapos.
And quickly apologizing to the bench was Mr. Ruiz. And Ruiz from the Ombudsman. Ang lamang ng AFP, dalawa, 6-4. Good serve by Patty. Labanan sa net. Balik sa AFP. And Jackie says, don't worry, I got it. I got that open space.
So far, so good, sabi ng Team AFP.
Kung ikaw yung nasa side ng Ombudsman, ang gusto mo ring iwasan is lumaki ng kanina 2010 no? Yung 21-10 yung lead. So ngayon within striking distance, that's gonna help. That's gonna help.
That's right. Kahit sabihin mo na ayaw mo tignan yung puntos, sometimes it's very hard na hindi mo titignan. Ako, it's very high mountain to climb kung ganun kalaki yung kalamangan. So I think where they are at the moment, if they keep it this way,
That just grazed the line for Arnie Pesebre. Back-to-back points here for the Ombudsman.
oh, that was a good serve.
The smile says it all for Arnie. Ano rin yun, skill dapat sa defense. Pag nakita mong tatama ng net, aasahan mo na
Nadi-deflect, mag-iiba yung direksyon, yung speed.
takbo ng bola.
Oo. Pasugod dapat ang kuha doon.
Valores, set up job. Balik sa white and purple. They go to Jackie. And chalk up another point for Cheryl. Check it out again. Nice. Check ball there. That was slow.
She knew it.
Ang score po natin is 8-all. Attack by the AFP. And now the lead goes to the Ombudsman, 9-8. There you go. Tatabla ba rito ang AFP? Kita mo yung ginagawa ni Arnie, no? Akin to.
Oo, akin to. And ownership, leadership, very vocal no, sa loob ng court. And you see her also saying na okay lang yan.
Yeah.
Sa kanyang mga teammates if there are any mistakes or errors.
And if you are not a talagang solid volleyball player, makarinig ka ng ganun sa veteran mo, sa leader mo, it uplifts your game.
Yes, definitely. Pero itong AFP, kita natin, no, yung sistema talaga in terms of how they play is really ingrained in how they move. Talagang gamay na gamay nila ang isa't isa.
And they're moving like a very well-oiled machine. Diba? Yung parang very synchronized, parang sayaw eh.
Pati yung spacing, mapapansin mo, no? Yung
Yeah.
spacing nila, yung pag-adjust ng pwesto ng bawat isa kapag gumagalaw sila sa loob ng court.
Parang kami rin yan. Pag gumagalaw kami dito niyan, kinakailangan meron ding espasyo si Rina. Rina, anong balita mo sa amin dyan?
Yes, Chicken, and I have here the best libero in the NCAA, Badet Pepito, the sister of Margarita Pepito. Welcome here in the UVL Games. How can you describe your sister Margarita in playing?
Siguro po, isa sa mga admirable thing po sa kanya habang naglalaro is siguro yung leadership po. Since libero, isa din siya sa mga libero. And ayun, since bata pa po ako, napapanood ko na siya. And ayun, siguro yung leadership niya inside the court.
Okay, kaano naman ka-supportive ang family niyo when it comes to you girls playing volleyball?
Siguro po super supportive. Ayan, makikita niyo po yung father ko na nanood, wala lang po yung mother ko. And siguro, talagang pinalaki nila kaming athlete eh. So, kailangan nila kaming supportan. Ay, supportahan. Yun.
And your message to your ate Margarita?
Ate, galingan mo po. And alam kong medyo tumatanda na. Pero nandito kami yung family mo para supportahan ka. And give your best lang po.
Ayan, kasama din natin yung kanyang anak ni Margarita Pepito. Pakilala mo naman siya.
Sion, what's your name?
What's your name?
Sion.
Iyon, ayan, nakasama natin ang family ni Margarita Pepito for the UVL Games. Back to you, Chiki and Ann.
Ganda naman ang report mo, Rina. Thank you. Really, we were mentioning this, and it's a family affair.
It is indeed a family affair. It's also very nice for the kids to see. O, tinan mo, naglalaro dito. Live action, very active. Yan ang Pepito sisters.
Sinabi nga, yun nga lang, medyo nilaglag ng ni Bernadette. No? Bata pa lang ako, pinapanood ko na yung...
At saka gusto ko yung paghina ng boses na yung medyo tumatanda.
Oo.
At least bumubusina, di ba? Hindi naman dire-diretso. May respeto.
Oh, I love it here. 2023 UNTV Volleyball League, ang Volleyball League ng public servants. Maraming salamat sa inyong pag-tune in. Back to our live action here. Dalawa lang ang hinahabol dito ng Ombudsman. Make that 3. I like how Ruiz was hoping that that ball will not sail out. At mahahabol pa ng teammate niya. 14-11. Lady Gunners up by 3. Wow, what a hit by Arnie. Balik lang ang bola sa white and purple. Pesebre again, and she scores again.
And you see how Pesebre, when she takes on her approach, alam na niya kung saan niya gusto dalhin yung bola. In this case, she was really targeting that cross-court area sa may linya. Doon niya gusto dalhin yung bola.
Parang nasa radar niya yung libero, no? Si De Gia on the other side. Smart move by Patty Orendain. Going back to your point, it's not all about power. It's knowing the floor, surveying the floor. 15-12, 15-12. Good serve by Olores, but it's out.
Team Ombudsman scored only 14 points in the first set. So, with how we are looking at this game, tingin ko, this will be a much better set for them.
Kasi nung first set, we were pointing it out 21-10. Nagkaiwanan dun eh.
Pero ito ngayon, nakakadikit sila. So this is a good adjustment on their part.
And look at that, very smart move. Noticing that the back area was left open.
At this point, they've already matched their score in the first set. At maganda, nadikit ang kanilang nilalaro kontra sa AFP.
And Ruiz with that serve from the Ombudsman. Jackie goes to that open area in zone 1 and she scores. (16-14). The Graf Busters trying to look for more tricks inside their bags. Ace.
I think that counts. As a trick, medyo dinasala ng konti ni Orendain yung serve niya. And she gets that ace. Very consistent, strong serves coming from AFP.
Sleeper, no? Sleeper of a serve. Good first ball by Patty. And again, no, at the risk of sounding like a broken record, it all starts from the first pass.
Very nice to see organized movement, nanggagaling sa magandang unang bola.
Down by 4, let's listen in to Coach Toyko.
Yung dalawang kanto na yan. Pag dito ang pagsisamahan at sa gitna ang papalo, bantayan mo na agad to. Ha? Sige lang. Tara, tsaga lang. Tsagain niyo lang. Guys, maganda yung nilalaro natin. Tuloy-tuloy nyo lang. Huwag nyo pansinin yung score. Maglaro lang kayo. Laro lang, ha? Sige, tara. Yani, tsagain lang, ha?
And I think that's why the Ombudsman are playing well here in set 2. They're not minding the score. Yung timeout ni Coach nun, tactical lang eh, no? Sa anong babantayan natin dito?
And very positive, reinforcing positive things that they need to look at.
And Tiffany has something for us. Go ahead, Tiffany.
Thank you, Chicky. Earlier I was speaking to our ABB Lady Gunners, and it's amazing how leagues like this really provide opportunities for our public servants to come together and be together on the court. And sabi nga sa akin ni Olores kanina, pagdating sa court, equal silang lahat despite of their rank and their title when it comes to serving our armed forces of the Philippines. So it's great to see all of them just building that camaraderie and team spirit. Back to you, Chicky.
I love that report. Tiffany. Thank you. And kami po dito sa UNTV Volleyball League, saludo kami sa mga katropa natin dyan. From the AFP, maraming salamat po for always being ready to serve our country. 19 or 2014, 6 na ito. Lumaki na ng kauntian.
Oh, bawal kumurap. No blinking in this game because you see, no, kanina pinag-usapan natin how how the Ombudsman team was able to improve in this set dahil nakadikit sila. Pero just like that, we didn't realize itong Team AFP lumayo na ng lumayo, napako sa 14 itong Team Ombudsman.
Sabi ni Ann, walang kukurap doon sa mga team bahay natin dyan. Ang payo ko naman, wag muna kayong kumuha ng merienda. Tapusin nyo muna tong set number 2. Ha? Para mas maganda ang inyong panonood. Meantime, the slide, the running hit by Arnie is good. Pumapalag talaga yung Ombudsman. They're led by Arnie Pesebre here. Good serve there. 21-15. And it's good.
It is good. Falls within the bounds of the court of Team Ombudsman. Magandang cross-court attack. Nakita natin.
Kita mo, napako yung mga paa ng Graft Busters.
Also with a bit of hope siguro. Sana lumabas tong bola.
Leia Hernandez serving now for AFP. 7-point lead now for the Lady Gunners. They're going to the back and yung coverage sa likod hindi masyadong solido para sa Ombudsman. They call for another timeout. Let's listen in once again to Coach Stoico.
Ma'am, tama yung ginagawa mo. Pag wala sa pwesto mo yung bola, papasok na ako para makapagset ako. Ha? Sige lang. Patayin lang natin yung momentum ng kalaban. Tsagain niyo lang, tsagain niyo lang. Sige lang. Ma'am, basahin mo lang yung katawan. Pag nakita mo doon papalo, nakataban. Ayun, doon papalo. Ha? Tatansyahin mo na lang. Tatapakan mo tong linya na to para malaman mo outside na.
Alam mo yung term na floor coverage, it's easier said than done. Ano? Pinakita ni Coach Stoico doon. Tingnan mo, may tip siya. Baka mo yung linya, basahin mo yung palo. Tingnan mo yung kabig ng kamay.
Minsan, tama ka doon sa easier said than done na pag nandyan ka na, gumagalaw na, ang bilis ng pangyayari, minsan ang hirap eh.
Ang hirap talaga eh.
But that's what they train for. That's what they do train for. Yan ang mga pinapractice nila, pinag-aaralan nila sa kanilang preparasyon para dito sa mga larong ito.
Kasi para sa isang mortal na tulad ko, no? Just to hit that ball is already difficult. Gusto mo, Coach, abangan ko pa kung saan.
Gusto ko yung mortal, oo.
Diba?
Ang dami naman nun, Coach. Parang ang dami gusto ipagawa.
Ang dami mo gustong i-process. But then again, that's why they're here. These guys are great volleyball players. May pito ang ating first referee. It's gonna go the way of AFP. It's gonna be set point again for the Lady Gunners.
Oh, that violation not helping. It's been another easy set here, no, para sa team AFP.
Let's see, Ombudsman led by Pesebre going to the back, and that would be it. 25-16. Pero kahit ganon, Ann, we saw a better Ombudsman Graft Busters in set 2.
Yes, definitely talagang nasabayan nila, nakadikit sila sa puntos, but AFP was just too much for them to handle, lalo na may panapos itong team AFP.
Lamang in set count ang AFP, 2 sets to 0. We'll take a quick break. Back in a moment.
game, and that is Yuan Estrada, the son of Miss Janice de Belen. Congratulations to being chosen as our face of the game. Dako naman po tayo sa ating barkada of the game. Sa mga magbabarkada dyan, pwede ba kayong tumayo? Ayan, magsigawan at mag-cheer sa mga paborito niyong koponan dito sa UVL. Para naman po sa ating barkada of the game. Ayan sila, ang Palarca Group of Friends na binubuo nila Kaka, Cheche, Maine, Nikki, Atay, Tyne, Taz, and April. Hello guys! And thank you for joining us here at the Marikina Sports Center. Ito po ang UVL, ang Liga ng mga Public Servants.
Yan ang gusto ko sa UVL, ano? Hindi lang pang mga public servants. Kita mo yung humanga kay JM Palarca. Meron pang barkada of the game.
Diba yan ang nakaka-excite? Pinag-uusapan natin yung support, yung cheering, nakakadala yan habang naglalaro ang ating mga teams.
So again, ini-invite po namin kayo dito sa may Marikina Sports Center. Kung kayo po ay may pagkakataong pumunta dito, punta ho kayo. Ngayon naman, kung sakaling kayo po ay nasa comfort ng inyong mga bahay or sasakyan, pwede kayo manood sa UNTV channel, YouTube ng UNTV News and Rescue, YouTube ng UNTV Sports, at Facebook ng UNTV Sports din po. 4 different platforms that you can choose from. So, set number 3. Ann, bago tayo pumalaot dito sa set number 3. Okay, silver lining sa laro ng Ombudsman. Anong pwedeng magandang ipinakita nila nung set number 2 in spite of them falling 0-2 in set count?
You know, just looking at the numbers, let the numbers speak for itself. Definitely better point production para sa Team Ombudsman. Ang maganda dun sa umpisa nung second set, nadikitan nila yung AFP.
Yes.
Yun lang, kabilis gumising yung AFP. Na-realize nila, nako, ang lapit na. And so, they did what they are used to. But for Team Ombudsman, that fact, if they held on to that longer, yung nadikitan, I think it would have been a different turnout for the second set, regardless of whether they lost it. Maganda yung dumikit, medyo nervous ng konti itong AFP.
So dito sa third set siguro magandang kapitan nila yung the good things that they did in set number 2 to at least try to sneak one set here and then take it from there if they do so. Patty was there to cover the back. Jackie sends it over. Arnie defended well at the net by Eguia.
Well, they knew already, it's very predictable when Pesebre is in the front line. 90% sure or 95% sure na mabibigyan siya ng bola, kaya basang-basa ng blockers ng AFP.
5-0 ang ating score in favor of the AFP Lady Gunners. And make that 6-0. Ganun talaga no, pag you're faced with a huge deficit, para magiging tense ang muscle mo, bibigat ang pakiramdam. So they needed this timeout to stop the momentum. Pakinggan natin si Coach.
Para maano lang. Para may maano lang natin, magoyo lang natin yung blocker. Okay? Ma'am, bibigyan ka. Expected mo papalo ka. Okay? Sige lang. Pagandaan niyo muna yung receive na maganda. Kaya niya yan. Bigyan mo. Kaya niya yan. Kaya niya yan. Sige. Taba.
I love how Coach Toyko is uplifting everyone. You know, I'm referring to Lan Vasco. Sabi niya sa center niya, bigyan mo. Kaya na yan.
Tsaka anticipate, bibigyan ka ng bola. Ito yung pinag-uusapan natin because Pesebre, nape-predict na yan, alam na ng kalaban, siya yung bibigyan ng bola. So, yung ibang frontliner, kailangan handa rin. Pag binigyan kayo ng set, kailangan pumalo kayo.
And hit it with conviction. Di pwedeng undecisive ka doon.
Ganong conviction. Konting tulong ng net. But so far, very clean plays ang nakikita natin from Team AFP. Hindi pa nakakapuntos itong Team Ombudsman.
And for the AFP Lady Gunners, the more that they continue to play well, alam nila that it is a fact that that big X mark sa kanilang likod, palaki ng palaki yan. Lumalalim yung tournament natin. Palarca set up job for Arnie. Oh, good floor defense. But then again, kinapos ng the second ball.
This is, you know, a good example. Ano, yung mind, yung pag-angkin sa bola is really key.
Let's see if makakakuha ng first pass. It's an ace. Coming from number 9, that's Betinho.
We have talked about how Team AFP has been lethal kahit sa kanilang service. That has been consistently shown in this game. Starting from the first set hanggang ngayong third set, ganun pa rin. Pinahihirapan nila ang first ball ng Team Ombudsman.
10-0 as we turn you over to Tiffany Fran for this report.
Thanks for that, Chicky. You know, I was talking to Coach Stoico earlier about the regular players that they have that were supposed to be actually regular, but now they are imports. So that's none other than Lan and Yan. And, you know, one of the key things that we have to stress is that the Ombudsman, they really focus on conditioning and making sure that they have enough strength to muster to cover today's games. And, you know, with Lan and Yan not having played for the past 15 years, that's something that they really have to work on. Back to you, Chicky and Nan.
Maraming salamat, our hard-working courtside reporter, Tiffany Fran. Of course, doon po sa mga hindi nakakaalam, Tiffany Fran belongs to a family of athletes also, di ba? Kaya ganyan kahusay din ang kanyang knowledge sa larangan ng palakasan. And tinan mo ito, 12-0. What a third set for AFP.
This has been clearly a show of dominance of Team AFP. So far, you wouldn't say it's anything spectacular yung ginagawa nila, but really it's about consistency.
Yes.
Makikita mo na yung iba yung pagkakaintindihan ng bawat isang player kung saan sila pupwesto, kung sino ang kukuha ng bola, and that emanates from how they play and shown in their score.
And I guess that's what sets them apart from the other teams. Dahil in the event that they get this one, isa na lang dun sa bracket ang hindi pa nila nakakalaban. And it's a 14-0 run here by AFP. And they're really doing it from all corners of the court. Let's check the huddle.
Para hindi dumidikit yung bola mo sa net. Lapit ka sa net. Para pag-set mo ng bola, kailangan mataas. Para makakapag-adjust sa fiber. Okay? Sige lang, sige lang. Sige lang. Tama. Guys, dapat!
Coach Stoico, honestly, I really like how he motivates his team. Kalimutan mo yung score eh. Yung tono niya, whether start, lamang sila ng konti or down sila, it is the same.
That's true. But you know, yun sa report din ni Tiffany earlier, yung minimension niya na may alam ng Team Ombudsman the reality. There are those who have played in the past, but it has been a while since they also last played. So ito talaga ngayon magandang pagsabak. Because it's a good way for them to feel the game again.
Yes.
Diba?
And I would hear coaches say, as you progress to the tournament, pati yung conditioning mo improves, your timing, your game timing improves.
And you know, honestly, for many of these players, no matter how long you've stopped, may muscle memory.
Oo naman.
Oo, may muscle memory yan.
Ang problema na lang yung next day.
Oo. Maraming solusyon.
Unang-una dyan, yellow. Yan ang important. Natawa si Andon dahil reality yun eh.
Oh, it is a reality, you know.
Yung next day ang actually the next 2 days, di ba? Ang kalbaryo. 15-1 in favor of AFP. Olor is doing an awesome job setting up her teammates, and Jackie has been the recipient of such good sets from Olores.
We credit that first also sa kanilang magandang first ball. Maganda kanilang the system you see is really working for them.
Palarca already going to one side, then the ball going to her right. 16-1.
Wow,
Open space.
May konting tulong lang net. Alam niya hindi tumama ng ayos. The contact wasn't the best. But puntos pa rin.
Because if that didn't hit the net, sakto yun dun sa back coverage.
Pare, oo.
Aabutin eh.
Pero hindi rin solid yung contact sa kanyang kamay. But, you know, they have such great lead at this point.
I saw Olores conversing with her teammates. Sabi niya, out na. Buti na lang
Buti na lang, oo.
nahagip pa nung kalaban.
There is a 17-point lead right now. Very comfortable lead. At tingnan natin no, kung kaya ng quality points man lang no, from Team Ombudsman.
Now, itong nilalaro ng AFP, para silang mayroong microscope dito. Even the smallest gaps, they are seeing it and they are hitting it in utmost accuracy.
Pero makikita natin yung condition din nila. Eh.
Oh, yeah.
Iba yung condition nitong Team AFP.
Service error by Olores. Ball goes back to the Ombudsman Graph Busters. And on deck to serve is Ann Ruiz. Rina, meron ka daw babalita sa amin dyan. Go ahead.
Pepito, which is MJ Pepito joining us here in the games. Best Libero and the NCAA and Best Libero and the Shakey's P-League. Welcome here in the UVL Games. Anong masasabi mo naman sa ate mo sa paglalaro?
Si ate kasi, naging teammate ko siya since college. High school pa hanggang college. Ano siya, leader talaga siya kapag nasa loob ng court. Then kahit na pag nag-e-error ako, pinapagalitan ako niyan. Oo.
So ikaw ba may plano ka rin ba na sumali dito sa UVL Games natin? Nakita mo naman kung gaano kasaya dito.
Oo, kung may chance po, why not?
At sino pa ang kasama mo dito aside from your sister kanina? Sino pa ang dinala mo dito sa inyong family?
Tatay ko po, andito din, nanonood.
Go ahead, repeat the names.
Tay, andun siya sa sa kabilang side, tatay ko.
Alright, maraming salamat. And finally, your message to your ate Margarita dito sa laro niya sa UVL Games. Ano ba?
Good luck sa'yo. Bigay mo lang kung ano yung dapat.
Maraming salamat, MJ Pepito, Best Libero in the NCAA and Shakey's V-League. And we hope next time, next season, makasama ka na rin namin dito sa UVL Games. Chicken and
Maraming salamat, Rina. That would be a nice addition, MJ Pepito, di ba? We were talking about next season. Pag sumali din yung mga ibang mahuhusay naman na laro, the level of competition will increase.
So there's a lot of preparation from the teams. Then yung mga imports nga, ika nga, no, reinforcements. Or maybe they could be there as regular players.
Oo, di ba?
If they really are employed. But bago yan, bago ang lahat, nakikita natin ang patuloy na pag-usad ng score ng Team AFP. They, sabihin natin, no, naipako nila itong Team Ombudsman dito sa kanilang score ngayon, 3 kontra 22. Or rather, 23. O 22, Ryan. Ang tamang score, 3 kontra 22. Very convincing ang kilos at galaw ng Team AFP.
And they're covering every gap open in their area. Sa kabila naman, trying to stay alive are the Graph Busters. And that would be the 23rd point of AFP. (23-3). Yan ang ating talaan. And on deck to serve para sa Lady Gunners, Cheryl. Good serve there by Cheryl. Harney galing sa likod. Cross court. One more try. They're going to go back. Oh, I thought they're going to go back to Garcia. Garcia gets the first ball. And she will be rewarded with a set there. Ganda nung timing doon.
That is a skill. That's something you practice. Yung hihintayin mo.
And we will go back to that timing of Wendy Semana. Kasi dahil doon nakakuha sila ng puntos. Match point na ito for AFP.
Ball was kept in play because of that. You know, alam mo, dito, we always look at the scoring skills, ano, yung mga
Yes.
pumupuntos. But, you know, the setters at yung depensa ng AFP has really done wonders para sa kanilang laro ngayon.
Garcia still searching for that first point, I believe. Ganda ng distribution ni Wendy.
Nagmadali si Patty to try to get that point.
Nakakita siya ng biyaya eh, no? Akala
Sayang,
niya.
regalo eh.
For serving 24, Dolores Cabigas will be serving for the Ombudsman. Looper. They're setting up Garcia. And it's out. That hit of Arnie is out, and that ends set 3, 25-4.
What an amazing game here from Team AFP. They remain undefeated. No, ito yung pinag-uusapan natin, lahat ng kanilang nilaro, straight sets. Naipatuloy nila ang ganung output today in this match. So they now have a ranking of win-loss record of 4-0.
12 straight sets yun, ha? So, ibig sabihin, lahat ng kanilang kalaban, wala silang binigay na kahit ilang puntos. Because they won it in straight sets fashion. And not only that, they stay on top of our race for number 1 or the top 4 spots, 4-0. Ayan po ang ating score, 25-14, 25-16, with the last set going 25-4 in only 16 minutes of action. And the Lady Gunners, ang kanilang mga arsenal, kanilang mga replay, well calibrated, getting it 3-0.